Stay right. Stay there. Stay there.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not intend to glorify or endorse any actions. Viewers are encouraged to understand and follow their local laws and ethical standards.
July 25, 2022, Dallas Love Field Airport. A routine morning turns into chaos when a woman opens fire inside the terminal. Officers react instantly, making split-second decisions to neutralize the threat. This is a breakdown of the critical moments that followed.
4 a.m., the suspect leaves the restrooms wearing a black hoodie with the hood over her head and her hands in the front pockets. The suspect walks from the bathroom to the Southwest Airlines ticket area and says she has an announcement to make. Witnesses say Adufua starts to ramble, talking about marriage, incarceration, and then said she was going to blow up the airport and pulls a gun from her sweatshirt. At 11:06:44, she pointed the gun towards the ceiling and fired 2 rounds. Officer Ronald Cronin, a 15-year veteran of the Dallas Police Department, was in the immediate area and engaged Adufua, giving her verbal commands to drop the weapon. At 11:06:50 a.m., Adufua pointed her gun at Officer Cronin and an innocent bystander. At 11:06:51, Officer Cronin, taking cover behind a ticket kiosk, fired his department-issued weapon, hitting the suspect multiple times. The shots fired caused the suspect to fall to the ground and drop the weapon. Officer Cronin held his position and other DPD officers arrived to take Adufua into custody. Officers started first aid and called Dallas Fire Rescue for assistance. Adufua was transported to a local hospital for treatment. While processing the scene, law enforcement found rounds from Adufua's weapon showing she shot at Officer Cronin. She has been charged with aggravated assault against a public servant. Additional charges are possible.
Stay down. That shooter, yes. Stay there. Sierra 301. Right there, got one down.
Put your hands. Put your hands out with the seat.
Stay there, folks. Stay right there. Stay right there. Don't move.
Can't see nothing.
Back up.
Hey, back up.
Back up. We got it. And we hold. Hold what we got. Hold what we got. Don't move. Stay there. Get back. Get back.
We got DFR coming.
Okay, we just okay.
So, who do you want to go?
Hold on. Hey. Stay there. What are you doing? Hey. Give me 2. Give me 2. Give me 2. Give me 2. You gonna approach? Hold on. Hey.
Who's got gloves? Who's got gloves?
Look. Line of fire. Watch the line of fire. Watch the line of fire. Stay right. Stay back. Stay there. Stay there. Hold on. Anybody else hurt? Anybody else hurt? Oh. Anybody else hurt? Anybody else hurt? Anybody hurt?
I got no gloves.
Anybody hurt?
Where is the shooter at?
Tom,
16 shooters down.
in custody.
Take it. Put cuffs on.
In custody. Some custody.
955, I got box 14 ready on me.
It's clear, Tom. Custody. We got her. We got her. Calm down. We got her. Let him know we got her in custody. She's handcuffed. Alright?
Hey, get on the radio. Let Fox 14 know he's all clear. We need him in.
Everybody put that on there. Say he's clear. Let him in.
16 suspect in custody. Bring him in. You guys okay?
You got is evidence here, or do you have a?
Yeah, they were
like
coming
we
from
have
behind.
We got a wound right here on the side. All right, come in. All right, we need to get this before they get here. Does anybody have a bag?
Okay, only got one shooter in the ticket wing. Everything else is.
You have gloves on? It's on, you're recording, so you're good.
Just tell me what.
Yeah, 'cause they're coming.
Tell me what to
We
do.
need to get that out. Here, just in case they need. Start putting these on. Are you with me? Can you hear me? Alright, got evidence coming, okay? What is your name?
We need that box up here. Is anybody up there? The box is waiting. Can we get the
Bring
box
him
up
in
here?
here.
Bring him in.
Bring him in.
He's low.
They're waiting out there. Is anybody able to get that box up there? Steve, can you call dispatch and tell them no, it's
Somebody
safe
get
to
in the squad car and bring her in. Bring him in.
Where they at, Sergeant?
The suspect, wounded but moving, is ordered to stay down. Backup arrives as officers ensure the area is safe. Medics provide aid, preparing her for transport. Witnesses are interviewed while investigators review footage. Authorities confirm she had prior mental health issues. The incident highlights the importance of quick police response in crisis situations.